In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OKX to Tradingview. By the end, you'll be trading directly from your charts with a clean, reliable setup. First, head to Tradingview and open any chart. You can search for any symbol at the top and load a chart layout you are comfortable with. This gives you the visual space you need to place orders and manage positions once the connection is live. Next, look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. It sits alongside other tabs like Data Window and Pine Editor. If you don't see it right away, make sure your bottom panel is expanded. Clicking the small arrow at the bottom will reveal it. The trading panel is where Tradingview lists all supported brokers and exchanges you can connect to. In the trading panel, find the OKX icon. If it isn't visible in the first row, click the three dots labeled More to open the full broker list. That's where you'll see additional options that don't fit on the main line. Once you spot OKX, click it to begin. Now click Connect. A secure window will appear asking you to log in to your OKX account. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication your account requires. This might involve a code from your authenticator app or a verification prompt. If a window doesn't appear, make sure your browser pop-up blocker isn't preventing the login screen from opening. During authorization, you may be asked to confirm that you want Tradingview to access your account for trading. Review the details and approve to proceed. After authorization, you'll be prompted to confirm your account type. Choose between Live or Demo. Live connects to your real OKX account for actual trades, while Demo lets you practice without risking funds, which is perfect for testing strategies or getting comfortable with the interface. Take a moment to double-check your selections so your orders go exactly where you intend. Once connected, you should see your status reflected in the trading panel. From here, your orders can be placed directly on the chart using Tradingview's order tickets, and your positions and balances will sync in real time. If anything looks off, refresh the chart and verify you are logged in to the correct account type. It's also a good idea to confirm your time zone and chart settings so your order times and alerts align with your routine. That's it. Thanks for watching.